Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Messenger Kids not working problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to clear the cache files of Messenger Kids. To do this, we go to Settings. Then we click on Apps and then we enter Manage Apps. We type Messenger Kids in the search bar. Then we go to Storage. After doing this, we click on Clear Data. Click on Clear Cache and press OK to confirm. This was our first solution. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to clone our Messenger Kids app. To do this, we go to Settings. Then we go to Apps. Click on Dual Apps. Among our apps we find Messenger Kids. Once we find it, we click on Messenger Kids and then click Turn On. We cloned Messenger Kids. If your device does not have the cloning feature, you can download an application that provides this service from the Play Store and clone Messenger Kids. After following these steps, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to download the old version of Messenger Kids. The reason we do this is that this problem we are experiencing may be caused by the new update. We delete Messenger Kids on our device before downloading the old version. I left the download link of the old version of Messenger Kids in the description section. From there you can go directly to the download page. If you haven't downloaded APK file before, you may have problems here. For those who have problems, I left the solution video on the card section. After entering the site, click on Download. After clicking Download, we are faced with the file might be harmful warning. We don't need to worry because I use this site frequently and have not had any problems so far. Our file has been downloaded. Now we can start the installation of Messenger Kids. The installation of Messenger Kids is complete. Now you can check if the problem is solved. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fourth solution. Our fourth solution is to delete and reinstall Messenger Kids. We are deleting Messenger Kids. Then we enter the Play Store and download Messenger Kids again. We downloaded Messenger Kids. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.